Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, Monkey Blocks got a new update. They added new Christmas blocks. Isn't that right? And they replaced the Christmas blocks so you can know where the Christmas blocks are right here, and they look very awesome. That's why me and him are gonna be building the house, working together, adding some Christmas cosmetics. And now I see why they added this thing, because think about it. It's Monkey Blocks. It looks like someone built this whole thing, right? And look at this Christmas cosmetics. I mean Christmas blocks, right? I just let you guys know there's new Christmas stuff and Christmas cosmetics. But anyways, let's go to Monkey Blocks. Let's go. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Candy Cane Brothers. Oh. So Christmas blocks, they replaced the castle. Yo! Look! Okay, first let's build a house. First don't grab stuff. No, put that back. I can place it back. Hold up. Nope, I can place it back. You already messed it up. I'm joking. Okay. So anyways. Yep. Where do you want to build? Point out where you want to build. Somewhere right here, not in the slots. Okay, right here. Let's go get more. So look at this is gonna be the living room. This is gonna be the living room, and this is gonna be. So that's gonna be. Do you want to be in the same room? Okay. So we're gonna move this. So this is the living room right here, and this is both of our rooms right here. Which these are our rooms. No. Oh shoot, I did it wrong. Yeah, so we're gonna build like a wall. First, oh, ice! They have ice. Where's this? They have ice! My bad. Come here. Look at press this. Oh, you already pressed it. They have ice. You know what that means? We're gonna be building. What do you want to build? How about we build a dream house that has, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, ice block. Chat, this looks like butter if it was yellow. It's so mean when I get scared of an ant. Okay. Let's see. Okay, first, let's just get the door. Let's get the door, which is this right here. We got it. Storeroom is right there. We're gonna keep building. Keep grabbing the big pieces. Got you. Wait. I'm gonna leave like a little window. Yeah, leave like some space right here so we can put a window. Yeah, just like put it right there. So now we're gonna use these like small pieces. No, actually use the two ones. Use the two blocks. And then just place one right there. Like place the 1 inch block. I already got one. And then the last part, the window. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Go give me one of them. Go give me one of them 1 by 1 blocks. Yeah. This is our room, which means we're gonna need some beds. But first. It's Christmas, okay? I mean, like, come on. Then now we're gonna just build the living room now. I'm gonna place the door. Wait up. So this is gonna be the so that's the entrance. Now, actually, how about we make it like this? Yeah. I just keep building. Yeah, no. Got it. Now we're gonna go get that 3x1 block. And then we're gonna place it. And then we're gonna get that 4x4 block. And then we're gonna place it right here. And then I think we're gonna get this 5x5 block. Yes, sir. Oh, yep. Another 5x5. Another 5x5. No, that's 5. Wait, this is 6. Where's the 6x5? Oh, there's no 5x5 block. I'm so stupid. Yeah, and then last one. Wanna keep. Okay, how do we? Dream house. Ladder. Yeah, boy. We're gonna keep making. No, but first we're gonna decorate this part. How big is a tree? No, okay, no, okay. Just keep that there. I'm gonna go throw it back. Cut up. How about we make a little table, like for eating, if you know what I mean? Yeah, a little table for like eating. I need. Okay, just give me one. No, actually, give me two. No, actually, yeah, just one. Oh, thank you. I can leave that one there, and then we're gonna go get. Okay. One, two, three, four. This is our table. Yeah. Jingle bell, jingle. This is our table. Our table looks awesome. Jackpot. There we go. Now I'm gonna place it like this. Yeah. No, we're just gonna. No, actually, so it can look even awesome, we're gonna make some more space. Get more of these big pieces. No. Yep. Oh yeah. Got that one? Yeah, much better. Nope, that's enough. Okay. Yep. And we're just using the blocks that you left here. Got one. Okay. Oh, wait, when did they have rocks? Never seen this before. Well, let's just like place rocks for detail, if you know what I mean. Now I feel like we should like add trees. Like add trees around like the house. Trees. Yeah. Yeah, that you get sick. You're like, that's yours. No. Yeah. Give it. Yeah. And just like keep placing the rocks. Like around the house. Chat. Illegals in my yard. Illegals in my yard. What? What is that? Okay. I don't know what to do with this present. Let's not use it like right now. Yep, got it. Then we're gonna place one like right here. And just like one more rock right here. Perfect. It looks like a actual thing. So now, should we start decorating? Yeah. How about we make like a outside like right here? So you can just like go outside and just like go look at a tree. That would be awesome. Christmas spirit is the best. Oh yeah, guys, my birthday's coming up. It's on December the 23rd. Please give me something. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Got it. We're just gonna place this. Yep. Just like get 2 by 2 block. Yeah. 2 by 2 block. Yeah. Then you just like place it right there. Place it right. Yeah. I just like how you kept smacking it just for it to go. And then this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna place the tree. Wait, can I like? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna. So then we're gonna grab rocks and surround it. I mean, like, but we gotta make some space to put presents near it. Like these rocks right here. Yeah, and then you just like keep going. I got some. Okay. So doing a pattern, big rocks, tiny rocks. Okay, wait, let me go get a big rock. So, okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh. Took your thing. This is mean, bro. I took his thing. No, that's not a rock. It's the rock that belongs there. Just like more. This is what I want you to do. I want you to keep doing this and just keep throwing the rocks, okay? Keep throwing the rocks. Best Christmas map ever. Yep. Yep, that's exactly what I needed. Nope. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough rocks. Yeah. Okay, look here, because you're the one that's wasting all these rocks. I want you to grab all these rocks and place them around the map. Like, place them, like... While I do this. No, actually, because you were in my... Because you signed up for this video, I want you... Don't give me that rock. No, that was supposed to go in. You're gonna help me decorate. Yes, man, that's mama. Everyone comment W Gorilla, please. My boy's a legend. But anyways, grab presents. Put them. Perfect. Perfect. I don't know, we need one more. Yeah. I'm gonna take that out of your hands. Take that out of your hands. Perfect! It's gorgeous. Christmas tree completed. Let's go in small and see what it looks like. No. Okay, I got flipped. So guys, we are small right now, and we're gonna go see the Christmas tree that we made. First, let's go see our house. Gorilla's right behind me. Let me just like, hold on, let me just like flip it. See, he's right there. Gorilla, say hi. So we're going inside the house. So first, we got our table. This is where we eat, but we're just kids. Oh shoot. I know I disconnected. Wait. Hang up. No. Gorilla! Gorilla! I'm back, sorry. I don't know what happened, but I'm still recording. Yeah, they can see you. You're right there. Wait, let me just get a little bit closer. Yeah. Say hi. Wait! Let me go small with you. No. Wait. Hold up. Oh, damn. Okay. I'm coming back, Gorilla. Oh. Gorilla! Sorry, I disconnected. I don't know what happened. Where's my camera right there? Okay. Ready? So this is our room right here. For Let's go big. Let's go decorate more! Snowman time! What was that? Please. There's gonna be a little snowman inside our room. He said he likes it in there. Oh wait, I forgot, we didn't even get to use the ice. Wait, I have an idea! Wanna build a skating ring with me? Okay, that means we're gonna need a big! So keep getting these big pieces right here. We're gonna be building one of the biggest ever skating rinks of history. And we're gonna be adding some ropes with it. It's gonna be way bigger. So we're gonna have to get to work. No racism, no racism. Okay, I'm gonna keep throwing them. Wait, keep throwing them. Oh, shoot up. The second I look back, come on, bro. Oh, you messed up right here. Let me fix it. God dang. This is so big. No Diddy. I mean the skating rink. No, nah, come on, guys. No, don't get me canceled. I'm actually serious. I didn't mean it. Oh my gosh. Make sure it's right. No, mine. Throw more! Oh, wait. Yeah, boy. We're gonna stop right here. Okay. Hey! What the? No! No, I'm gonna get the last one. No. It's perfect. I can show you the. Now we just gotta build them things. No, actually, come here. I need you. Grab these right here. Grab these and just like keep placing them. I have an idea for this skating ring. How about we like grab items and just like drop them there? So if you do get hit, you just get hit. And then, wait, want to do a parkour? Parkour. Yeah, let's build like them things. I got these, hold up. You know what, forget about it. Let's go have fun. Yo, this is actually kinda big. No Diddy. I can show you the way. Oh, watch me slide under here. Ah! I actually did it. I'm walking. Slide. Ah! Okay, go big. Wait, wanna do a boss battle real quick? Come here. You have to stand on the edge. Go small. Go small over here. Come here. Okay, hold up. Let me just get some tiles for you. Come here. Hey guys, we're gonna end the video here. Remember to like and subscribe. Hold up. Where's my camera? Hold up. Where's my camera? Wait. Hey, say bye. Wave bye. Wave bye. Oh, there it is. Thank you. I guess I gotta go small. Huh? Oh, come on. It's so fair. I already lost it. Hold up. I can't end this video without my camera. Oh? Okay. Just a second. Shoot up. Say bye. Ah!